Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, and if you're new here, hello and welcome. So today we are back on our Quick Tips Tuesday. So this is just a mini series of just very quick little tips and tricks of makeup, hair, general life things that you might not know, you might know, but it's just something to help you out, make your life a little easier, and it's stuff that I may have found that makes my life a little easier, or that I've learned that I thought, you know, wow, that's pretty good. So if you do have any of your own quick tips or tricks, then please leave a comment below. I will give them a go and feature them in one of my videos maybe. So today's is a little skincare. So obviously if you're touching your face, make sure your hands are clean. That's a free tip for you. So I'm all wrapped up in my robe. I've just got out of bed and you need a nice clean face. So I'm just using at the moment the Micellar water. So the L'Oreal Micellar water, this removes any makeup, it cleanses and it soothes. It's a purifying water for normal to dry skin. Apparently it has no alcohol. It's hypoallergenic and it's okay to use on face, eyes and lips. So we are just going to wipe our face. I have already washed my face, but we are just going to wipe over our face, cleanse away. Okay, so as we're cleansing our face, we're not going to stop there. Do not forget your neck. Okay, so pretty much this little quick Tips Tuesday is all about don't forget your neck and your hands. Let me elaborate. Anything that you put on your face, like moisturizer, things like that, don't just put it on your face, okay? Put it down your neck, bring it down your neck, and if you've got excess, rub it into your hands. So I'm just going to tone my face now. So this will be toning my face. I'm using the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. So I use this not every day, I must admit. And we are just going to gently do our face. Oh, this stings a little bit, this one does. And then our neck. So you know the saying, you can tell a woman's age by their hands. Let's eliminate that, shall we? So when you come to moisturise, I'm using the Moisture Bomb from Garnier. Oh, it's lovely. I've been using this now for, this will be about 2 years. Right, so Slava, is that a word? Slava. Pop that on our face. This gives a real nice glowy skin. That is so good. So good. Actually, I don't even know what it doesn't really smell much. It's got a hint. So once you've done all your neck, make sure you get behind those ears. I do all round my neck, get right round there. Bring it as far as you like down. Make sure you bring it all around your face, and then any excess, pop that on your hands. I do that with any oils or moisturisers, anything like that. I always rub it, the last little bits, into my hands. We are also going to use our Garnier Skin Active. This is an eye contour care cream. So I put a little bit under my eye bags, using ring fingers, and we just massage that in, and I bring it down the sides of my nose. So just because something says it's for one area, it doesn't mean you just need to use it in that area. I get dry around here. Just soak it in. I thought I'd just elaborate just quickly. So what I'm saying is it's a good practice to put your moisturiser, bring your moisturiser and face creams down your neck and rub any excess on your hands. I also do that when I'm doing a face mask, like you may have seen I did one of these face masks the other day. Any excess liquid I just rubbed into my face, and instead of wiping my hands off, I would just rub it into my hands. That doesn't mean that what you put on your hands is suitable for your face. So don't go putting hand cream or anything like that on your hands and rubbing it into your face. It might have something that could cause a reaction to your eyes or something like that, or it might be a little bit too abrasive for your face, but it's okay for your hands. I hope you understand that. I hope you found that useful. Just a little quick tip to make sure that you remember to, whatever you put on your face, put on your neck and on your hands, and no one will be able to tell how old or how young you are. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye.